In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert accented letters or special characters in Excel. This is a handy skill, especially when working with documents that need to incorporate words with accents or special symbols. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to start by clicking the cell where you want to place that accented letter. Imagine you're working on a spreadsheet and you need to add a word with an accent. Simply click in the cell so it's selected and ready for input. This step gets you prepared to insert the character exactly where you want it in your spreadsheet. Now we're going to use a method that might be new to you for adding accents and special characters. You'll want to direct your attention to the menu ribbon at the top of your screen and locate the Insert tab. This tab is your go-to for adding various elements to your document, and today, it'll help us with symbols. This is where Excel hides all these gems that can transform a mundane spreadsheet into something much more engaging and correctly formatted. Once you're on the Insert tab, glide over to the right-hand side of the ribbon where you'll find a group labeled Symbols. Within this group, you'll spot the Symbol button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. This takes you into the realm of characters that are not immediately available on your keyboard. After clicking the button, a window will pop up on your screen. By default, you'll be brought to the Symbols tab within this window. Here, you'll discover a comprehensive list of available symbols and letters, including the accented ones we're interested in today. Take your time to scroll through this list to find the accented letter you need. The letters are organized in a way that might require a little browsing, so be patient. This browsing is a one-time investment. By doing this, you'll familiarize yourself with the layout of the symbol window and make future searches much faster. Once you've found your desired accented letter, click to select it. Then proceed by clicking the Insert button, which will place the character exactly where you want it in your selected cell. It's as simple as that. This method allows for accurate placement, ensuring everything looks just right. In some instances, you might want to include special symbols instead, like the copyright symbol, trademark, or section sign, among others. If that's the case, you can stay within that same window. Just switch over to the Special Characters tab. Here, you'll encounter another list filled with various special symbols. This tab expands your options to include a wide variety of marks that can be useful in legal documents, creative texts, or technical spreadsheets. Browse through to locate the symbol you're keen on adding. Once you've found it, select that symbol and hit the Insert button to add it to your document or spreadsheet. This will seamlessly place the symbol right where your cursor is positioned, maintaining the flow of your document. Finally, once you've inserted all the symbols or accented letters you need, simply click Close to exit the dialog box. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've efficiently added the accents or special characters your document requires. By using these steps, you have the flexibility to enrich your text. Whether in Excel or elsewhere, you can enhance your documents with a variety of accents and symbols, making them more professional and precise. Thank you for watching, and happy typing.